Welcome to Strategy Saturday. I'm Charles Carillo, and today we're going to be discussing real estate asset management. Have you always wanted to invest in real estate but didn't have the time, didn't know where to find the deals, couldn't get the funding, and didn't want tenants calling you? Since 2006, I've been buying income-producing properties in great locations that provide us with consistent passive income while we wait for appreciation in the future and take advantage of tax laws while we're waiting. And unlike your financial advisor, we invest alongside our investors in every property we purchase. Check out investwithharborside.com. If you like the idea of investing in real estate, if you like the idea of passive income, partner with us at investwithharborside.com. That's investwithharborside.com. Real estate asset management is an essential part of every real estate investment company. Many people will confuse asset management with property management, but each has their own specific roles and responsibilities. What is real estate asset management? Well, real estate asset management is a process of maximizing a property's value and return on investment for the owners. This is normally achieved by strategically reducing expenses, increasing all income streams at a property while reducing potential risks and liabilities for the owners. Now, while the property manager is mainly handling the day-to-day, on-the-ground operations of a property, the asset manager is consistently speaking with the manager, reviewing the property's performance, and making changes to further increase the value of a property. In the realm of syndications, asset management is handled by the general partners. A small landlord who has contracted a third-party property management company is usually handling the asset management themselves. Wealthy investors or family offices may hire a third-party asset management firm to oversee their real estate investments. Many private banks for high net worth individuals will offer real estate asset management services as well. So real estate asset managers assist the owners throughout all three phases of the property ownership cycle: acquisition, holding, and disposition. A good asset manager knows the asset class, understands the geographic market, and the tenant base that will be occupying the property. Now, some of the responsibilities of the asset manager include making sure that the property returns are maximized. That's number one. Reducing expenses, hiring key people, including the property management firm, working with the property manager to correct current issues while preventing future issues, hiring contractors for large capital expenditure projects such as roofs, porches, amenities being renovated or being added, parking lots, reviewing the progress of large capital expenditure projects. So really managing those and not leaving that management to the property managers. That asset manager is really taking control of that. Negotiating contracts with contractors, vendors, working with leasing agents, reviewing rental prices and setting the price for the units with the property manager, performing market research, minimizing a unit vacancy, risk management, so making sure that the correct insurance policies are in place and that when touring the property, there's nothing that's unsafe that could be an issue or a risk to tenants that could end up costing the owners money. Adding additional income streams to the properties, such as storage, laundry, meter utilities, reviewing marketing and marketing campaigns, communicating with investors, owners, and preparing long-term financial projections, creating capital and operating expenditure budgets, reviewing key performance indicators, KPIs, allocating capital and investment resources to add the most property value, and continually evaluating, monitoring, updating the property's financial strategy, reviewing offers from interested buyers and reporting back to owners, finding lenders and reviewing their proposals, and assisting with property transactions. Now, real estate asset manager is really focused around maximizing the property value. They work with the property manager to achieve the goal while assisting owners with the operations of the property. So I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to rate, review, subscribe, submit comments and potential show topics at globalinvestorspodcast.com. Look forward to 2 more episodes next week. See you then.
Nothing in this episode should be considered specific, personal, or professional advice. Any investment opportunities mentioned on this podcast are limited to accredited investors. Any investments will only be made with proper disclosure, subscription documentation, and are subject to all applicable laws. Please consult an appropriate tax, legal, real estate, financial, or business professional for individualized advice. Opinions of guests are their own. Information is not guaranteed. All investment strategies have the potential for profit or loss. The host is operating on behalf of Syndication Superstars, LLC exclusively.